Hi, how do you? Today we're going to draw a very nice drawing, a woman cooking in a traditional furnace in the village. Let's start the drawing from the face. So this is her face, and you can see the long hair. All right. So this is a quite long hair. Also, this is coming from this side, and you can see clearly. Now I'm going to draw the face in details. You can see the eyes and the nose and the mouth, the lips. Okay, all right. So she has a hand which is resting on her lap. Okay, the clothing she is wearing, you can see from the back. All right, so this is just a regular outline. Now I'm going to draw on the other side. Okay, the few wrinkles is visible here. As you know, she is sitting on a traditional tool. This tool is usually the low height tool. Okay, we can see the other leg on the other side. She is sitting on this tool and cooking in a traditional furnace. On the other hand, we can see from this side all right. So the fumes and the hot air, everything is just going upward in that direction. So this is the drawing. A village woman, she is cooking outdoors. All right, let's put some colors on her dress. So the blue color for the blouse she is wearing. Okay, and we are going to put the purple color for the sari, a traditional dress usually the Indian women wears. You can see it. Alright, so the backside part you can see on the other side of the hair. She has a really long hair, as you can see from the drawing. We're going to put some black colors later. First, let's finish the clothing's color. Then we're going to color the next one. All right. So few colors we need in the bottom. All right. Okay. Let's put the black color for the hair. So we're going to use the traditional 4B pencils for this shade. So the hair, this is quite darker one. All right. You can see okay, and on the other side too you can see the hair. All right, so the cooking utensils, you can see the different colors, but usually because of the coal burning things or because of the materials, this is dark black. All right, and the fumes you can see those are little ash colors. It's just a graphical presentation, you know. All right, so for the tools, you know, we're going to put another colors on which she's sitting. Let's put a separate color. These are dark and we can put a light color on top and on side, but the corners again we can make little dark. All right, Let's put the yellow color for the body. For the legs, the left leg, the other hand, and the face. It's a nice yellow color. Usually the fumes and the burning sensation has a color which is like the orange, and the color of the wood usually like this. The furnace, we're going to put a deeper color. Sometimes this is made with mud, or sometimes this is made with other materials. Cement concrete is also used, cement concrete. Okay, we can draw the ground with crayon color. Let's put few shades of crayons here to draw the ground. So the drawing is going to be nicely done, as you can see. The corners of the furnace has to be the deep color to differentiate it, the basic shapes. Alright, so this is the drawing. I hope you like the drawing. Please subscribe our channel and put the bell icon on to get the new updates. You can also follow the playlist to sort the choices you want to learn. So lots of options and variables in that playlist. Follow the playlist and you can select your own choices. Thank you so much. Have a good day.